supposed to be an interactive session. So we're looking forward to a lot of participation from everybody.
Hello everyone, it's really nice to be here again. I think after 4 years I'm coming back. It's a Friday forum revival that was Minas told me initially, and it is nice that to be on this particular platform because it is like interacting with we give presentation to many professionals, but interacting with students is something else, a kind of experience, and the kind of questions also comes. It's fun to address them. So today's topic is architecture for all, and I choose this particular topic today because few years back when in 2012 when I was me, Shardul and Vinita, three of us figuring out the kind of practice we wanted to do. We were meeting a lot of mentors and architects and professionals. At that time, what happened that one very interesting question, one of my mentor, architect Malak Singh Gill, asked me, प्रतीक, तूने कभी देखा है कि डॉक्टर स्ट्राइक पे जाते हैं, इंजीनियर स्ट्राइक पे जाते हैं? एंड आई सेड या पता है। तो उन्होंने मुझे आगे पूछा क्वेश्चन कि आपने कभी सुना है कि आर्किटेक्ट स्ट्राइक पे गए हैं? सो आई सेड नो। तो वो टाइम पे उन्होंने बोला इंटरेस्टिंगली, आर्किटेक्ट अगर स्ट्राइक पे गए भी ना तो भी कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला। जो भी कंस्ट्रक्शन होना है, जो भी दुनिया चलनी है वो चलती रहेगी। अगर डॉक्टर स्ट्राइक पे जाएंगे तो प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, इंजीनियर स्ट्राइक पे जाएंगे तो प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, बट आर्किटेक्ट स्ट्राइक पे जाने से कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो सकता। एंड दैट वाज अ वेरी हार्ड हिटिंग क्वेश्चन बिकॉज देन वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग अ स्टडी दैट हाउ मच important work architects are doing. So technically, the 99.25% of architects dealing with only 3% of the world population. Means we are giving our services only to the 3% of population. Rest 97% of population is working without us. And that time, it is again a hard-hitting reality came in front of our eyes that how can architect work on all the grassroots levels and in all the sectors? Because otherwise, it kind of becomes a useless profession for myself because I spent 5 years and I cannot see myself dealing with only 3% of population when the society, and again it's Anna Vastra Nivara, right? The food, clothing, shelter, and we as an architect we deal with the shelter. It's a very important need. So we have a lot of responsibility towards the society, and that's where this journey started. So over here, whatever the presentation I am showing, it's not more like showcasing the work or something like that, but it is a journey where I will be talking about that what questions came to our mind and how we started addressing them, and what all things we are doing which are maybe related to architecture but also very important to be a professional who is working in the rural part of India. Another hard-hitting reality which came when we started doing the research, that right now there is a lot of climate change which is happening and a lot of pollution is happening, and 38% of the total pollution is happening because of the building industry. Means imagine we are contributor as a professionals, we are contributor in the building industry for 38%. It's a huge number. After vehicle industry, the construction industry is the most city and everything. But the city is very good with the education, about the awareness many times. That's something the villagers needs, the confidence of asking the question which villagers needs to learn. So yeah, there are many things which we need to take from the cities. Another way, when the city people come to my village and they work, the village people feel proud about their own things. So we really want to have this particular gap between the city and the rural part, where that the villagers will be more enthusiastic about doing things of themselves. So it's exactly like Gandhiji's approach, where Gandhiji is told that when I want to build my house, I don't want the windows and the door, because the air of the entire world should go through my house. But my roof should not be blown away with that wind. Means the globalization is important, but if it's taking away from the roots, then it's a problem.
We have, always seen this critics who talk about, Gandhi as as somebody who, portrayed poverty, but that's not real poverty, right? In a way, but still I know that, certain people like us, we still respect him for the reason that he was able to fill that gap, right? So I'm really glad that you're almost achieving that kind of work and bringing that bridging that gap between empowering the community. So that's really nice, and we actually have to thank you for that, because it's a technically a new approach to the design and a new way to look at architecture.